What's up, everybody? Welcome to Quantum Ascent. I have TRAC or OriginTrail up on the screen here. Full disclosure, don't own any, doing this for one of the members of my group, so I figured I'd share it over here on X and YouTube with you guys. Looking at it, we're going to go back here. This is the March of 24 high. You can see we've put in an A, B, C on that B wave, drawing this to the lows, stopped right out at the 702. Rolled back over one more time. So it does look like the lows here are in, guys. A lot of alts have set new lows since that April low. So that was right here for this, the April low. You can see came down here, swept it twice, but a lot of the market is sitting either below this box right here or right around it. TRAC is popped out of here, while a lot of them are still at lows. So if it tells you anything with a lot of your alts, don't sweat what's happening right here, right? Because this thing popped out pretty quickly there, and some of them are already starting to do it over there right now. But TRAC right here went 185%, a 2.9x just about as it popped up off that level. So we are looking at a macro move to the upside. I have an Altseason target video out for OriginTrail. Go check that out over on my X or YouTube today. I'm just going to talk about some of the shorter term price action here. Let's take a look where we got stopped out. So I'm going to draw that down to the low. Kind of a no man's land between the 382 and the 0.5 fib. There has been a lot of price action that went in around this level. You can see right here, resistance, wicked out, support, broke down, back test, breakdown, right? So a little bit of price action going on over there. But I do think, obviously whole market got knocked back a little bit over these last 2 weeks, but it is starting to build back up. And then the other thing too, if you look at, is we can connect these upper trend lines here, right? You can see like we're right in that area. We hit it there. If you want to do the outermost wicks, we're a little short of it. You see up there at the 0.5, but that's the thing about trend lines. They're a little subjective, but if you're trying to hit, as many of these tops as you can, you got that one, then you get another little top in there starting from the origin point. Either way, pretty close. Going to be some resistance up in this level. The 0.5 fib as well. It means we've taken back 50% of this drop. So that's oftentimes a spot that we kind of stop out too. So let's see as we get back up there, some resistance around the 91, 92 cent level. And then obviously you always have $1 as a psychological barrier. So I do believe that right now that was 1, 2. I think right now we're still in the middle of a 3. I'm waiting on, the rest of 3, a 4, and a 5. You could argue this is 3, 4. I think this went a little deep though on the 4, so I still think we're staying impulsive here. Let's see this thing get going. Guys, I am a big believer that these markets are on the cusp of turning around and we're having our real alt season here. I don't think that's any different from TRAC. I think it's encouraging that it's already moved its way off the floor here over the month of October, because again, that was a bad month for the most part for the market. So let's see, keep an eye out as we get up to the 92 level for resistance. Again, go check out the alt season video I have for TRAC over on my X and YouTube page, but bouncing right now between the 309 and 236 of the broader range. So you have pretty strong support looking back here at 58 cents, currently at 62. And then again, I think our next resistance level we want to break through is going to be right here at 90 cents. After that, then I'm looking up here at the 702. Don't worry about where these 3, 4s, and 5s went. I'm looking at this 702, the top of the B wave stop out. Again, this was our most recent range, right? So with a lot of our alts, this is the range we've been looking at. If we pull the fibs from there and bring it down, well, you can see almost got stopped out right about the 618 there. Again, more supports coming in. So use the charts together, try to find some confluence for supports. But guys, I do think these markets are about to get ripped around here, and TRAC's going to be a part of it. So patience pays. That's why it's in the word, my friends. Guys, join the Quantum Circle, real-time trades, access to my portfolio, 2 macro videos a day, a Discord channel, and I teach you how to do TA just like me. Link to that in the bio. If not, just appreciative that you're here. If you could follow, like, repost. I want to get this out to as many people as I can before it's too late. So hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll catch you in the next one.